To use Starla, first download and open the app, then sign in or create a free account. You'll land on the main screen where you can ask Starla a question by tapping the microphone or text icon. Whether you're curious about astrology, relationships, your day ahead, or even decoding a dream. You can also explore features like compatibility. Just enter someone's birth details to get insights, and the fun soulmate sketch, which draws a visual representation of your cosmic match. Note, some features require unlocking with Starla Pro. For daily readings, head to the Today tab to view personalized guidance based on NASA-powered astrological data. Everything is laid out in a clean, intuitive interface, making it easy to chat, explore charts, or reflect. And if you ever want to revisit past sessions, just go to History to revisit previous guidance. It's simple, engaging, and tailored to your journey with just a tap.